Good morning. My name is Robin Raj. I am from NIT Uttarakhand, currently pursuing BTech in Departments of Mechanical Engineering. I have given my JEE Mains in 2021 and my percentile in physics was 99.8 percentile. So today we will be discussing about the topic gravitation, which is a very important topic with respect to JEE Mains. So before coming to this topic, let's assume that there is a mass m1 and a mass m2 separated by a distance r. So what will happen here is that this mass will apply a force on this m2 and this m2 will apply a force on this m1. So there's a force F attacking on these two bodies due to each other, and the value of this force will be equal to G m1 m2 upon r square. So what G here? G is called gravitational constant and its value is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. It's okay. So let's now assume that a third mass comes M3. So now the value of this force will remain unaffected when this third mass enters into the scenario. One thing also we can notice, we can remember is that this force will remain unaffected due to the medium between these two masses. So let's say that we keep it in water, mercury, air, vacuum, anything. This force will not change. The value of this force will only change if the distance between these two particles, masses, or the value of these two masses changes. Okay. Now we will discuss about the topic called gravitational field. It's called gravitational field. So what is gravitational field? Let's say that's a mass m1. So there will be a presence, like there will be a feeling of force that will be acting due to this mass m1, like this. So the line of this gravitational field will always end upon the masses. Okay? Now let's say, assume that मैंने एक body लाया, ठीक है, m2. It's now in infinity somewhere here, m2. Okay? Now it will be not affecting any force from this stick. Okay? अब इस पे कोई force नहीं लग रहा है. अब मैंने इसे उठा करके यहाँ रख दिया. इसके gravitational field में what will happen? The moment it comes into the gravitational field of m1, it will start feeling that force F equals to G m1 m2 upon r square. Let's say addition between this is r. Okay. So space में कहीं एक body है, अकेला बॉडी रखा हुआ है, वो चाहेगा दूसरे बॉडी को अट्रैक्ट करना. ओके, स्पेस में रखा हुआ है m1, ये चाहेगा दूसरे बॉडी को अट्रैक्ट करना. और जैसे इनके फील्ड में दूसरा बॉडी आएगा, उसके ऊपर एक फोर्स लगेगा जिसका वैल्यू वही होगा जो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स का होता था, जो कि G m1 m2 अपॉन r स्क्वायर होता है. So now we will discuss about another topic which is called gravitational potential energy. Okay, I'm writing in short form. So it's gravitational potential energy. ये क्या बोलता है? On the system, this is the system, and there are bodies m1, m2, m3. ये बॉडी क्या करेंगे? इनके अंदर जो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी होगा, एक दूसरे को अपने तरफ अट्रैक्ट करके एक सिंगल बॉडी फॉर्म करने की कोशिश करेंगे. Okay, this body will attract this one, this will try to attract this, and they will try to form a single accumulated mass. Okay, and the value of this potential energy U will be equal to G m1 m2 upon r. What is m1 m2? Let's say it is m1, another body is m2, and the distance between the center of these two are r, and this value will always be negative. Okay, this will always come with minus sign. This is the value of G. या कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. फोर्स में क्या होता है, F इक्वल टू जी m1 m2 अपन r स्क्वायर आता था, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी में सिर्फ माइनस जी m1 m2 अपॉन r आया। हम लोग एग्जांपल से इसे देखेंगे अभी। let's say there are two mass m1 and m2 at distance a। okay, let's take example। अब क्या करना है, हमें बोला गया है कि दिस मास को m1 को m2 को 2a डिस्टेंस पे रखना है। ओके, इसे सेपरेट करके 2a डिस्टेंस पे रखना है। अब क्या होगा, अब फाइंड आउट करना है वर्क डन इक्वल्स टू कैप। बताओ वर्क डन क्या होगा, हमसे पूछा गया है। यहाँ क्या होगा, हमने क्या किया, दो मासेस था a डिस्टेंस पे, उन्हें सेपरेट करके 2a रख दिया। ऑब्वियसली सेपरेशन में फोर्स लग रहा था, तो फोर्स के अगेंस्ट काम करना पड़ेगा। सो वर्क डन विल बी देयर, देयर इज नो डाउट। ओके, वर्क डन विल बी देयर। दिस वर्क डन इक्वल्स टू u final minus u initial। what is u final here? u final equals to minus of g m1 m2 upon the distance between these two। what is here 2a and u initial is minus of minus g m1 m2 upon initial it was a। so work done equals to this। what's coming here, this will come common and it will be g m1 m2 upon 2a। so this is our final answer। okay।